Hi guys, welcome back to my Amazing Kitchen. And if you are new here, kindly click on that subscribe button right now and join the amazing family today. In this video, we are cooking something simple, something delicious. We are making some potato stir fry, a very great meal for a busy weeknight. So come along and let's get started. We need some potatoes, which I have cut into chunks, slightly bigger than bite-sized pieces, but you can cut them anyhow you like as long as they are not too small. We also need some sausages, some cooked sausages, and you can use any sausages of your choice. We need some crushed tomatoes or blended tomatoes, a little bit of parsley. We need my homemade all-purpose marinade and some butter. We also need some black and white pepper or any seasoning of your choice. I have some green beans which I have soaked in hot water to cut down on my cooking time, some onions and a mixture of bell peppers. First, you want to rinse your potatoes and add that to your pot. Add enough water to cover, add your salt and bring it to a boil. And you want to cook your potatoes until they are just tender. Whilst my potatoes are boiling, I'm going to slice my sausages and set that apart for later. You can also use any protein of your choice. So if you have some leftover chicken, throw that in there. Next, I check on my potatoes and they are perfectly cooked. They are just tender and so they are not going to fall apart on me. Strain the water and add your butter and parsley and gently mix everything until the butter is completely melted. And when that happens, you want to set it aside for later. Heat up about 2 tablespoons of olive oil or any oil of your choice in your wok and add your sliced onion. And you want to fry this until your onions become very soft and translucent. Add your homemade all-purpose marinade to your onions and fry that for about 2 minutes as well. And if you don't have my homemade all-purpose marinade, just use some type of blended ginger and garlic and it will be fine. Next, you want to add your crushed tomatoes or your blended tomatoes and you want to cook this on low for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you will realize that the tomatoes will change in color and in texture and the oil will slightly begin to settle on top. That is the perfect time for you to add your sausages or any type of protein you will be using. Stir that in gently until the sausages are well coated with the tomato base. Now add your green beans and the rest of your vegetables. And you want to go ahead and season that with your black and white pepper and a little bit of salt or any seasoning you want to use. Stir that in very well and very gently for about 2 minutes until they are well mixed and well combined. This is the perfect time to reintroduce our potatoes. So you want to add that in and stir gently and carefully until it is well mixed. If you go too hard on your potatoes, they will break up on you and become all mushy, and we don't want that. So gently stir that in and your potato stir fry is ready to be served. So like I said, this is a very simple, easy, quick and healthy meal you can whip up for your family on a busy weeknight to enjoy. And I hope you do just that. So until I come your way next time with another amazingly delicious recipe, please remember that cooking should always be fun and exciting. So try to cook each meal with love and see it radiate through the hearts of your family. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.